grateful. I want you to appreciate that while others are looking for employment, you are employed in this municipality. Maging malipayan kita, hindi kita magluya-luya. Kahatag sa trabaho, tungod kay arak kita dali sa munisipyo, ibig sabihin, may arak kita sa trabaho, may arak kita sa misyon, may arak kita sa dapat ipasalamat sa Ginoo, kay may arak pa kita sa mahatod nga pondo para sa aton nga pamilya. How can we show gratitude to the Lord for this employment? By giving back genuine service with a happy heart to His people here in Malubo. May arak sa mag-immerse na naman sa aton nga mga opisina. Students, you listen to me. You are here to learn. You are here to observe and sooner appreciate public service. But as you learn and observe the system of my administration, put in your mind that we are also observing and learning from you. In this local government unit, we value quality service. Beyond compliance or excellence ang aton nga gusto nga klase sa panelvisyon. So whether you are a student immersing in our local provision of service delivery for the people of Malumon, or you are an organic employee, or you are under contract, regardless of the status, while you are here serving the people of Malumon, I want you to value excellence and quality service. Hindi na siya pwede lip service, ha? But really, are we providing service with a happy heart to the people of Malumon? Kay base, retorika na, istorya na. But I hope na kung kita mapasalamaton, kay may aral nito sa upra, tani ng pagka-mapasalamaton natin sa Ginoo, napakita natin sa sakto na servisyo. Sometimes, there are things that we need to consider. When I was younger, most of the time, my decision is driven by passion. Same with you. We tend to decide sa spur of the moment. When we were younger, our decision-making was driven by passion. Pero subok na nag-edad, I realize, and that is what I'm doing right now, our decision should always be driven by reason. Sa mga politik, kisa may aral sa mga advocacies, I would like to believe na ikaw politiko, dapat nagdalagan ka, kaya may aral ka din sa saktong advocacy. Saktong plano, gusto ng mga tao. Kaya sa atin na advocacy, hindi pwede nga gusto lang kita na gusto para makapagat atin na advocacy. Passion lang ang ating ipatibbabaw. Mawala natin yung balance, ang mga consequences. Ang muna madamo, mga politiko, nagsigig pakibisog sa ilang prinsipyo, pero nakapasko. Pareho man sa ating mga buhi in general. 1 Corinthians 16:14, let's do everything in love. Sa ating tanan na pagkahimuon, dapat ang rason gugma. Pero hindi pwede na puro lang gugma, nalipat kita sa ating responsibilidad. For what? For security reasons. May alam kita sa ibang pinaglalaban. Tani, habang nakikipaglaban kita sa ating mga advokasya, tanawin po natin kung worth it pa siya. There are risks worth taking, but there are things that we have to ask, is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? And getting there, kato lang sa akin yung punto, and you listen to me. Kamutanan, may arak sa katungod sa pagbarong sa inyong mga prinsipyo. Desisyonin ninyo ang inyong inagigit. Regalo rin sa Ginoo sa ato. The freedom to choose to decide what is good for us, what is better for the family. And as we decide, always know the risk that we are taking in every decision-making that we execute. Pero tayo, ang inyong desisyon should always be based and driven by reason. When you go back to your respective offices, when I say, serve the people with a happy heart, please serve the people with a happy heart. The truest sense of that phrase, hindi para sa ako lang, kundi silbing pagpakita na kita mapasalamato, na kita may trabaho pa. Kaya ining trabaho natin, pagkaroon lamang sa seguridad, kung ang aton mga buhay na desisyon, may aral sa saktong rason. So I hope, as we continue serving the Lord and the people this year, 2025, our relationship being developed with each other and for the service of the people of Maluon, genuine or authentic, truly believing that employment is a reward from the Lord. Maayong aga sa mga